Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back. I'm trying to get a good angle for all of you guys that you're not looking at my nose. Yeah, it's one of those things that I had done tons and tons of videos this past weekend because of the big thing that's happening, and I noticed a lot of the angles. I never went to school for directing, so yeah, we might have to redo those Dollar Tree and Dollar General. And what else did I do? I did many hauls. I think I did 4, and that's a lot in one day, and trying to get those edited, and I'm trying to rush all of this, and I thought, you know what, stop. Good morning. Welcome back to Glamour Jade channel. It is Monday, and it is January 29th, 2018, and my babies are with me. They are now, some of them are eating, you know, I'm trying, it's like I have, many personalities that I am dealing with, and it's okay, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining, I'm just explaining. They're my kids, they're my fur babies. So, they know it's Monday. It's about to be a full, it is like a full moon. Wednesday will be the full moon situation. And so, it just, you know, we have a Luna, and the word lunatic comes from the moon, and it just, when the moon is full, it just, it messes with our chemistry is within us. So yeah. Oh, I'll just believe that. That is too funny. Ray had printed some photos, and I'm going to frame them. Here's one that he's printed that I'm going to get into a frame. I didn't realize he left those for me. Oh my gosh, I love that. He did a really good job printing these. That's one. And believe it or not, that was last year on his birthday. So that's when we went to Kiki's. And that is a very famous restaurant here in El Paso. We're gonna have that one framed. And then this one is when he was probably the last one before the year ended, when he was, he plays in a band. He is the bass guitarist. So we were at the DoubleTree here in El Paso. They play upstairs on the patio when the weather's really nice. I mean, even in the cool, I remember that evening was very cold, but it was nice. So I will be posting a lot of their music when they play on the channel too, so you can enjoy that. Great band, love them. This one here, God, it's like, what is she doing? Is when it was Christmas when he played Santa Claus. That was nice. Yeah, those are nice. This here was August. I think August, yeah. And it's just like, it costs a lot of money to get those printed at, other places. So now I can get a frame, and that's gonna look so nice, so nice. What I would love to do is have those printed on black and white, but color's okay, it's all right. It just shows the wonderful the wrinkles. It's okay. The reason why I'm coming on is this daily vlog is letting you know there's going to be probably about a week to a week and a half. I'm going to give myself, I'm not going to rush it because I don't want to put excess stress on me because my pain level even gets higher, and I don't want to deal with that. The next thing is we started this, it's been almost a year, it's been about 10 months process. So it's been like giving a birth, the whole carrying of the beautiful baby for 9, it's been 10, we're a little overdue. Paloma, say hi. Say hi, baby girl. Say hi, oh my baby. We just had our final walkthrough on the house this past Saturday. And what that means is that the appraisal is done. Amen. And from there, looks like, if nothing else comes up, there's no delays on either side. There's been a lot of delays waiting on certain paperwork. And those, sorry guys, that will be future vlogs of what your rights are, to be honest. I'm sorry, your rights are of what your responsibility is as a buyer and a seller kind of situation. I'm not an expert, but we've gone through 3 realtors because of it's been a learning experience, meaning this area, yeah, when you have 1, it could be like the person, it could be 2 is like maybe it's attitude, if that makes sense, of frustration, or it could be number 3 is like, it is this area. And I'm not trashing nobody as being a realtor here, but oh my goodness, I have gone to my friends who I have a handful. I'm not saying 1, 2, or 3. I have a handful of friends who are realtors who we understand that the state laws are different, but they have said, oh, ethically, that's not right. Oh, that's not right. Oh, the state law is here, but you check yours, you know, and it's like, I had this recent realtor tell me, stop Googling, stop researching, stop stressing. And I thought, yeah, maybe I am over stressing. No, you guys research. You have that right. You have that right to know what your rights are. Don't ever allow anyone to tell you, stop learning. That's one thing in these vlogs that I will share with you, and that is empower yourself, validate yourself, and uplift others knowing that they have that power too. I got to let so loud. Be right back. Okay, I think that was him telling me, reel it in, mama, reel it in. Those are future vlogs. Don't get all upset. This is going to be a short vlog explaining to your wonderful, wonderful, lovely, your family and friends that to chill out and let them know that you are finishing up your packing, your signing. Hopefully nothing stops on Wednesday, and we start moving in this weekend. Yay! Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's see how many likes I get on that one. Yeah, it's Monday, yeah. So I'm wanting to, I've been living out of boxes, and I've been like very minimalist right now, but I want to make sure that I have the necessity in a location, so when things are being taken over, it's not like bleh, all black. Like just thrown in there. I don't want that to happen. That scares me, because it's only going to be me unpacking, and it's been me packing, like, you know, that's, and being in the position that I am, it's like, okay, how are we going to do this? Where did I put that? Where is that comb? Where is that spoon? Yeah, so I have everything labeled in the garage, but here it's just, yeah, I need to get that done here real, like today. A lot of things done today. So it is day 9. I can do this, day 9 of becoming like a vegetarian, vegan kind of thing. I've not had any eggs, I've not had any beef, no pork, no lamb, no cheese, no milk. So I can tell so far in the 9 days, it's not been 10, it takes about 21 days to adapt a habit or a behavior. I can tell a difference in my hair. It's gotten fuller. It's gotten not as brassy, if that makes sense. I can tell my skin is much more smoother, if that makes sense. And I'm feeling better. I've noticed the little things being a little bloated more than because that is just because of the diet, what I am eating, you know, more of the vegetables, more of the protein kind of thing. I haven't got into the tofu, but I had my first veggie burger. I'm going to be really, really sincere. I'm going to tell it out there, ladies and gentlemen. I was scared. We had gone to Burger King, and I thought, Ray goes, what are you going to eat? I go, well, if they have like the little, you know, like McDonald's has those little bags of apples, I'll have some apples in the salad or something. And he goes, that just doesn't sound right. I go, I'll be okay. I'll be fine. It's my choice. It's not your choice. It's my choice. And the reason why I'm doing this is because of health. Secondly, it's because of my weight, and I'm getting much younger. You know, I'm only getting younger, and my metabolism is just slowing the most fastest up. So, and then number 3, I want to save about 200 animals a year. Just saying. That's just me. You know, I love rescuing. Look at the home. Look at the fur babies. And where am I at? Okay. From there, we walk in, and I have this, he's been very supportive on this change because he loves his meat. Believe me, he loves his meat. He goes, look, they have veggie burger. So Burger King does offer a veggie burger. So I go in there and I look at the lady, I go, so do you have a lot of people ordering that veggie burger? She goes, yeah, we really do. I'm thinking, oh, we got a lot of people here. Okay. So I like to order that. And so I ordered it, I unloaded, unwrapped it, and I looked at it, and I thought, oh gosh. I'm going to be honest, I was scared. Come on, let me pull them up. So I'm thinking, how is this, what's it gonna be like? And so I took my first bite, and I look down and I see carrots. And I take another bite, and I see, you know, I think it was onions, I'm not sure, it was white. And it was wonderful. I mean, I am not kidding. I felt better, and it's going to be really weird whenever time you eat processed food, especially, you get sort of a heavy feeling or feeling. I didn't get that. Maybe it's just me, you know, and that's one thing too. I don't feel as much as the past 9 days. So Ray goes, don't you get tired of just eating, because I eat a lot of black beans and vegetarian refried beans and you know, the salad and the carrot, the vegetables kind of thing. And honestly, I'm okay. I remember when I stopped for those 30 days of giving up the sugar, the sugar, the meat, the candy, the starches. I was having a difficult time. I was hating it. I was not enjoying it. I had to do it due to the fact of my numbers, of my health. And this time, it's like I'm home. I feel at home. I feel comfortable. So yeah, I need to go let Sol in. So give me a second and I'll sign off. Okay, that wasn't Sol. That was Luna. Yeah. I should have. They have certain patterns, and I didn't. That wasn't a unique pattern. Her scratching at the window wasn't normal, so I thought it was Sol. Yeah, but so those are some things that I'm doing. I'm really happy I'm doing it, and I'm going to tell you something. I am not one of those kind of people who are going to say that's bad for you. Getting back on the vegan thing. That you shouldn't be doing that to yourself. No, that's not who I am. And I'm not here to point a finger, because you know what? When I point a finger at you, how many fingers are pointing back at me? I'm just saying. So, you know, we're only human. It's my choice. And if you don't have a vlog up, it doesn't mean that I just stopped. It just means that I am making vlog after vlog after vlog of this new video or this new home. Oh, yeah. Yes, I am, Charles. You hear him? Okay. I love you. Yes, it's gonna happen, I promise. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. They get you guys. Yeah, she talks to her. Yeah, I talk to my baby. So, yeah, I'm going to be making vlogs on the new change, the new baby, the new addition. I'm excited. We are excited. It's so nice to hear the excitement in Ray's voice. It's so exciting, and him talking about the animals and making, you know, they're gonna have grass and they're gonna have a bigger backyard, and it's nice. It's very, very nice. So today's vlog is for you to have a beautiful day. No, today's message, yeah, the message. So I want you to have a beautiful day. I want you to know it's Monday, and that is okay. It's a new beginning, a new chapter, a new page. Just put the positive in and be, yeah, it's Monday. I've only had, what, 1 cup of coffee, but yeah. I love you guys. I'm signing off, and be good to yourself. Come back and visit. Remember to subscribe, share, leave a comment if there's something that you want to know about, if you want to see, yeah. God bless you. Be good. Thank you.